The Big Crunch theory is a theory that explains how the universe will end. According to this theory, our universe will one day stop expanding and everything will continue to come closer due to gravity. As it approaches, the universe will continue to heat up, and once blasted, this universe will be created again. In fact, it is the opposite of the Big Bang theory. According to the Big Bang theory, the universe began to expand after it began. But in Big Crunch theory, one day this universe will compress and start again. But for now, universe is expanding, not shrinking. What do you think about the Big Crunch theory?